What's up, y'all? Back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a slick back bun with the side part. And I'm gonna do a sock bun because I'm in the military, so I was wearing it to work. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm just parting my hair on the side that I want my part on. Now I'm just putting my hair into sections. I feel like when I do my buns, it's easier for me to do it in sections because I have shorter hair. So yeah. Now I'm just applying the Shine Jam to my hair, and I'm gonna comb through it to make sure the gel gets all the way through the hair. Now I'm just brushing my hair to get it slicked back. Now I'm just going to do the same thing with each section. Now I'm just going to put the hair that I have slicked back already in the ponytail. Now I'm going to be doing my edges with Edge Booster Edge Control. I really love this edge control. It really holds my hair really well. Now I'm just going through and I'm applying some more of the Shine Jam to my hair to slick that part back. Now I'm just combing it through. I feel like this is a really important step in slicking my hair back just because I have curly hair. So I'm just making sure that the gel gets throughout the whole section of the hair and just making sure like there's no kinks in the middle. Now I'm about to use some Got2b glue just to make sure I get all the little flyaways. And y'all don't gotta be this extra with slicking y'all hair down. It's just because I'm in the military and they so strict on perfect hair. So yeah. Now I'm about to use this donut sock bun thing to make my bun. Y'all don't mind me, I've been watching too much TikTok and I'm kind of slow, so yeah. So I just put the sock bun on and I put my hair through the little hole, and now I'm just making sure like my hair is evenly like distributed around the sock bun to cover it all up, and then I'm just adding gel on it and I'm combing it out to stretch my hair and to make it slick. So y'all, I just remembered that I was bald headed and I cut my hair, so my hair is short, so I can't just do regular sock bun anymore. So I had to add weave. So yeah, I just put the hair, like the little weave or whatever, I put a little scrunchie around it, and then I wrapped the scrunchie around my hair, and now I'm evenly dispersing the hair and adding gel to it and brushing it out so I can lay it around the bun. Now I'm just putting scrunchies around my bun to hold it into place, and this extra hair, I'm gonna add gel and I'm gonna make it like a little wraparound thing. So yeah. So I know it's not the best, but I still think I did pretty good. It's my first time doing a sock bun since I cut my hair, so yeah. I'm just touching it up a little bit, making sure that it's slicked down and everything. And this is the final look. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.